Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's detailed troubleshooting video, we're working on a Dell Latitude E7270, and the laptop is showing a power issue that many users commonly face. When we press the power button, the power light turns on for a moment and then immediately switches off. Along with that, the front status LED shows a specific pattern, for white blinks followed by 2 amber blinks. This blink code is Dell's way of telling us that there is a memory or RAM-related problem. So in this video, I will show you what causes this issue, how to properly diagnose it, and finally how to fix it step by step. Make sure to watch the video till the end so you can understand the entire process clearly. First, I began by showing the laptop from all angles, including the exact model number, so there's no confusion about which device we are working on. After that, I powered on the laptop and demonstrated the fault in real time. You can see how the power light turns on, goes off, and the blink sequence starts. This helps you identify the problem easily if you face similar symptoms. Now, let's get into the troubleshooting process. The first step is to turn off the laptop completely and disconnect the charger if it's plugged in. After that, I remove the back cover carefully. Inside, you will find the internal battery, the RAM module, SSD, and other components. To start the diagnosis, I first disconnected the battery to make sure there is no residual power in the system. Working with the battery connected can sometimes prevent components from resetting, so it's always good practice to disconnect it. Next, I removed the installed RAM module from its slot. Once removed, I placed it aside safely. After that, I took another RAM module, one that I know is working perfectly, and installed it into the laptop. With the new RAM installed, I reconnected the battery and powered on the system. As you can see, the laptop powered up normally and booted without any blink codes or errors. This confirms that the issue is directly related to the previous RAM module. Either the RAM is faulty, or the contacts are dirty, oxidized, or not making proper connection. Now, instead of throwing away the original RAM module, we always try to repair it first. Many times, the issue is minor, such as dust, corrosion, or fungus on the RAM contacts. So the next step is to clean the original RAM properly. For cleaning, I used a simple rubber eraser. This is a common and effective method technicians use to clean oxidation from metal contacts. I gently rubbed the eraser across the gold contacts of the RAM module until they were shiny and clean. After that, I wiped it lightly to remove any debris. Once clean, I reinstalled the original RAM back into the laptop, reconnected the battery, and powered on the system again. This time, the laptop started perfectly without any errors. That means the RAM module itself was not damaged. The problem was caused by dirty or oxidized contacts that were preventing proper connection. This solution works in many similar cases on different Dell models and even laptops from other brands. Whenever you see a RAM blink code, cleaning the contacts or swapping the RAM is the best way to identify the problem. So this was today's complete solution. We diagnosed the issue, understood the blink code, cleaned the RAM, and restored the laptop to perfect working condition. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more laptop repair tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.